create a safety device after discovering our entire company has been violating an OSHA regulation. We're looking at multiple sites across the US and the world. I presented the device to our corporate HQ and they absolutely loved the idea. They want me to create a bunch of the devices for our sites. The device is a simple 3D printed part, but it fixes this OSHA issue as well as solves a potentially hazardous situation. Should I patent it? Sounds like it. The device is used in our company machinery. While I really don't care about making money, I call your bluff. But from the sounds of it, I will make sure everybody's safe. Oh, there it is. But if I can, why not? I read filing for patent is insanely expensive, and if I should file for one, I would want to make these for the company before filing. Thoughts? Okay.
I know where this is going. I know where this is going. I know where you're going to go with this, JD.
Well, this was our topic, what, 2-3 months ago or a month ago? Right. So employee-employer situation, take a look at your employment agreement. I think is where I would start.
Yep.
It sounds like, based on the fact that someone asked you to look into this, or you were aware of an OSHA regulation, if your boss asked you to, if your job is to develop devices or solutions like this, and you're an employee, odds are your employment agreement is going to require you to assign your inventions to the company. However, if you're a third party or a contractor and you're not bound to assigning your inventions, you want to make sure that you have independent ownership well before you pay out of pocket, filing fees, hiring an attorney, digging in, and investing your own resources on this. There's perhaps even a third option. If the company is small, perhaps, maybe they're facing some financial hardships, they may be willing to waive their assignment privileges and allow you to own this individually. Right? If you're going to put up your own money to hire an attorney or even do your own research and get the application filed, that's a big investment of your time and effort, and certainly money. If you hire an attorney, you want to make sure you can reap the benefits of that. So that's the first issue, is making sure you decide and confirm ownership. Secondly, I think, if this is a problem your company has and you think it could be applicable to others, and even then more so if you think it's a simple product or a device, that all sounds like it's something you want to seek patent protection for, because someone, as soon as you sell this or it gets out to the public, you bet your competition or even OSHA will be telling others, hey, you should put this thing on your machine, and you want to make sure that they're not going to be able to reverse engineer it and make their own. So a great option is to look for patent protection, get it filed, and who knows? Sounds like this even could be something like a standard on for the industry, safety standard. Yep. And what a home run that would be if you're able to garner the benefits of that for 20+ years.
Yeah, if you were to own it. But yeah, you're 100% spot on with that analysis. I mean, first things first is figure out, can you actually even own this thing, separate and apart from the company you work for.
Yeah.
Because it sounds to me like that's going to be the company's.
Totally.